Hello. Today we went on a tour with Ayu and Harry. We started off at the base and got a boat over, and from the start they were both great. They were talking all the time, telling us everything we needed to know about the tour. And then first we were at Broken Beach and Billabong, and it was very hot, so
very beautiful.
Yeah, it was. And then we headed over to somewhere else afterwards and seen monkeys and a lot of beach again. And Ayu did Clio and umbrella because she was very hot. And then we headed over back to the base where we went snorkeling.
We had lunch.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we had the lunch. It was so nice. And then Harry took us out snorkeling. Stayed with us the whole time, showing us all the fish, the little Nemo fish. And then we've just come back now, and I cannot say there's been anyone better to do this tour with us. It was perfect. They made our day very special, and we'll remember this forever, won't we? The perfect memories. So thank you to Ayu and Harry. I really appreciate it. Thank you.